Sup mystery art friends.
Hi art friends, it's me, Steph, and I'm here with a package. This is meant to be like a magic watercolor that's in here. It was really expensive to like import, so we literally got one of them.
One pan!
Now, there's been a trend on YouTube recently of people talking about colour changing watercolors.
That's true, yeah.
And these are meant to actually be...
Well, the packaging's changing colour, I'm into that.
Yeah, I haven't seen anyone actually use these. My friend Melissa linked it to me. And this is meant to be a colour changing watercolor. I mean, so far, the bag's already colour changing.
The packaging's selling it to me, I like it. Okay.
And this is like handmade by someone from Etsy.
So this is a watercolour that someone's mixed themselves.
Yeah, it's not like company made or anything.
No, that's impressive, I like that, whoa.
Yeah, I really like handmade things.
So far, I'm loving the presentation. There it is, I can see it.
Oh yeah, there's the little thank you card. Oh, I wonder if that's wrought in one of those... Because see how it's
oh yeah, it's changing, yeah.
A two-coloured one, so it's like purple and also like a greenish colour.
Oh wow, if it's like that, I'm gonna be like mega impressed. That's amazing.
Oh, and I think this is a swatch on the front of the one that we've got, which is sort of like an orangish colour, and it'll also turn to like a purple.
Oh yeah, I can see it, it's going. Oh, in the light, it's really, really nice.
Look how cool that looks.
Oh, that's looking nice, wow. Anomaly.
And there's a little magnet on the bottom.
That's a really nice touch. I think that's such a good idea. Because like when you buy sets, they don't even come with those. That's someone who obviously loves watercolour and has a brain.
Oh, it's so cool. It's like it's got...
Yeah, let's get another good look at that. Can you just tilt it towards me? There we go. So that's what we're working with. That's crazy. If that translates into like an illustration like that, that's incredible. How about do you want to swatch it in my one, because mine's a watercolour sketchbook? Do you want to... You know it's a good idea.
I know. That's what upsets me.
Okay, my little swatchamadoo. This is probably the only swatch I've ever been excited to see, because there's potential magic here.
There's potential magic.
It looks amazing, I'm so impressed.
I wish I could remember where our black sketchbooks are, because it'd be cool to test it on black paper, just since it's worked so well.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's like, can you just keep doing that, keep moving it a little bit? Look at that. If it's like that, I'll be so blown away. It looks interesting on the brush, so... see. And again, it might not look it straight away, it's when it catches the light. So let's put on... Are you going to do like quite a thick swatch and then we'll see if it catches? Okay. The way you're painting it and the light's catching it on camera, there's a different colour on the brush to what's going down. So I hope that's a good sign. Yeah,
that's what I want to do.
It's doing it! Whoa, okay, there's one colour. And there's the... Oh, look at that! That is... Obviously, I don't think it's as intense as the pan, which is fair enough, I understand.
Let me have a play with it.
I like that though. See what you think.
Oh yeah, there's like the orangey colour I can see.
Got some professional wiggling going on.
Yeah, it's like the more in the dark that it is, the more purple it goes.
That's right, yeah.
And then the more in the light it is, the more it catches like that sort of orangey, goldy kind of colour.
Do you have any idea what you want to paint with it?
It does sort of give me the feeling of sort of like either a sunset or like an early morning sky kind of feel.
I'm just thinking magic.
It does have a magic feel to it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm very excited to try it.
Why, hello there.
What up, Watercolor Nation? It's
Watercolor Nation.
It's me, snazzy, trendy boy animal. And I have found a nice pose that I'm inspired by, so I'm doing this one.
He's using my iPad.
Look how big it is! We can show you, like, normally on phones and stuff, it's a bit harder to show you, but with the beauty of Steph's modern technology, I can show you exactly what we're looking at. I really like this, I like the idea of having magic, like, stuff going around. I think that looks kind of cool, so. I'm
feeling quite inspired by your idea of, like, magic. But it's been a while since I've drawn like a potion bottle, and my friend recently, she's been doing potion bottles for like Inktober, so
yes, yeah.
I fancy having a go at maybe designing a potion bottle.
Oh, that'd be awesome. I mean, the ink would be like such a perfect
because it's like such a magic colour.
Exactly. Oh, yeah. I kind of wish I did it. I'll stick with this, but I kind of wish I did that one, and that's quite cool.
You could have like a magic staff or something.
Just have a chug in some magic, some magic potion. We're still rough duff at the moment. We're a bit roughed up, aren't we? I mean, what I could do is change the clothes as well to make it a little bit more magic, so...
Like a magic cape.
A cape? I wasn't thinking a cape, but we
No.
could try.
Oh, you could have like one of those witches' robes, and it could have like star details all in like the metallic.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, like just like some, I mean, not obviously this, but you know, like little star details.
Yeah, you could colour like the hat and stuff like that in black. And then paint that on top of it, because it might show better on top of black.
Like if I use, maybe if I use a Posca pen and then that on top, that'd probably work quite well.
Because we don't know where our black sketchbooks are at the moment.
Because we are professionals.
Professionals at losing things.
Hey. We advance and do very well. We strive and do great when we have boundaries, I think. Am I selling it to you?
Speaking of selling things. Woo!
Oh my
I do like to buy these.
Now, if that isn't a perfect segue, I don't know what is. You're one slippery saleswoman, aren't you? Oh my god. But yeah, guys, our books are available on Amazon now. So
wow, I thought you'd never say.
So buy one. Otherwise, we're gonna have to sit through this for a very long time. I think I need to spend some time alone with this pose because it's not going very good.
Do you want me to turn the light off?
Yeah, just let me draw in the dark and cry for a while. That'll fix it.
Gotcha.
She just put her hand in front of the camera.
Not the lights off. Oh,
you fogged it up with your sweaty mitts. I haven't seen this yet, so I'm really excited to see.
Okay, so it's a potion that I've made up.
Oh, let me get in close because it might struggle to see this one. We've got Dragon Scale Potion. Ooh, okay. What have we got? Oh dear, there's a big eye on it. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. I really like the handles because I imagine if it was a dragon, you know, the scales would be big. That looks like a potion bottle that's like a big like a pitcher or jug. I think that's a really cool idea.
Would you drink it?
Probably.
Probably.
Magic!
Not the answer I was expecting.
Oh yeah, mine's, if you're curious, this is how mine's going.
And I'm excited because I've treated myself to some new art supplies recently.
Ooh,
so
do tell.
I got some Caran d'Ache pencils.
Oh, tell me more. Oh, those are
3B
nice.
and HB.
She's using 3B pencils this one. I'm so proud of her.
Well, that was actually drawn in HB, but...
Hey!
And I got some new Mangaka pens, because these are like my all-time favourite inking pens. Yes. And I'd used them all up recently.
Yeah, like you hadn't lost those. You'd actually used them all up to the point where all the ink had gone, so I'm very proud of you.
And I got them in the little fine tips.
Oh, let me see. Oh yeah, the F for fine, right?
And then the art supplies that we use, I typically link them down below in like the description.
Yes, if you like what you see, use those links because it helps us and God knows we need to eat. I wonder if I should do like a wash first. Some colour will come out, but I don't care.
I think this is the kind of paint that works best when it's like really opaque.
Yeah, well I want to try and do maybe... Come on. There's a drop, come on. Oh, there we go. I want to try and gradient it maybe from light at the top to dark at the bottom, cool. I hope. But we'll see. It's been a while since I've done that, so it could go really, really nice and cute, or it could go terrible. Let's find out.
I feel like mine's kind of turned into like an Inktober piece.
It looks good though.
I'll put like a few accent details on it like where the dragon scales are and stuff.
Yeah, no, I really like it, yeah.
Because I was thinking dragon scales are sort of like two-tone coloured.
They are. There we go. I'll start dark at the top and work my way light to the bottom. Give me some tissue.
Now.
Come on. Just so I can show you my idea. Hold on. Give me. So it's going to be dark at the top, and then hopefully, if I can scrunch it up.
When you're a scruncher.
Honey, please. You can get like a textured effect.
That's a poll.
Oh my god, yeah, today's poll. Do you fold or do you scrunch? Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm kind of want. That's kind of what I'm going for. I wonder if I could just lay it on really thick, because I wanted to give her some like socks. Just lay it on nice and thick on here.
Oh yeah.
That's it, because I can kind of make them look shiny. If I leave like the tops of it like white or unpainted or whatever, it can kind of just make them look shiny. So we might try and use that to like our advantage and use these as some shiny old socks.
Would you do the witch hat in it?
In the same, like, really thick? I can do, yeah, sure. Because then we can do the star thing that you talked about. Because using a white gel pen with that might actually look pretty good. You know, I don't even know if I'm potentially using it properly, but I do like how it looks.
Oh, there's no rules when it comes to art supplies.
Oh, well, that's what
the only rule is having a good time.
Well, that's what we like to hear, honey. That's very sweet of you. Yeah, so something like... Because I can see the pigment a lot better. I think you are right. I can see the pigment a lot better in these leg bits than in the hair, and that's from putting it on thicker. So I think the key to it is putting it on a little bit more generously, hun.
Nice and thick.
Just like me. I should also, I guess, use this opportunity, because we're near the end of it now, actually. How you guys' Inktober has been going? I haven't checked in with you guys for a while, so...
well, I can say firsthand that I'm still getting tagged in Adamtober drawings, and that's going really well.
They're very cute, yeah, jeez. I thought, like, okay, yeah, maybe one or two, but... God, you guys, when you said you were going to do it, you were serious, weren't you? Those are so sweet.
One person in particular let me...
Oh, yeah, if you can get it on...
Well,
yeah.
They might have actually just tagged me in a new one.
A hot off-the-press Adamtober pizza.
This might be.
Oh, my God. Yeah, it'd be nice to give you guys some recognition, because they're so cute. They're really, really nice.
Oh yeah, this is the most recent one that there's been.
Ooh. Oh. I really like it. The style as well is just so appealing.
We're in like a bathroom together, and I'm saying, have you got your tall socks on?
I don't need those on around you.
You do.
I am the tallest boy in this house.
But yeah, we are loving Adamtober, so thank you for the entertainment.
Yeah, guys, always. It's super appreciated. You're all so sweet.
I like the Inktober energy your picture has now as well.
Oh, well, that's because of you. I wouldn't have done this if you hadn't have suggested it. We're like, the heck with that. But she has good ideas, doesn't she, guys? You got to admit, she's quite the genius.
Would you kiss me on the cheek?
Well, it depends where. Which cheek are we talking?
I meant my first cheek.
Then no.
No.
There we go. We feel it. It's a bit more of an Inktober-y energy pick now, isn't it? Because traditionally, I haven't done any. I've been doing some digital ones, because I've been really trying to learn how to colour digitally the second half of this year. So it's nice to try and figure out what traditional is again.
Oh, you know what else would look cool in the black?
Oh, go on, yeah, sure.
Maybe if you did like the eyelashes or the eyeliner.
Ooh, I'll give it a go if you want, dear. Like up here, these?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only if you dare, though.
Oh.
It's not for chickens.
Oh, I'll raise you your dare, honey. I'll double dare you. There we go. It's a bit of a chunky boy, so I'm not entirely used to it, but hey, if she dares us, we gotta do it. There we go. Oh, it's looking cute. What about if we do our eyebrows too?
Oh, he's getting really daring now.
There we go. That's as far as we go. I mean, I could line the rest of it, but I'd probably do it with like a thinner one like this one.
Yeah, it's probably a wiser idea. I wouldn't want to do it all in that one either.
There we go. Okay. Now, I think the hat's looking dry to me, so we'll grab the brush again and this beautiful paint, which I really, really like. This is one of my favourite ones.
Like on the black.
Yeah, this is probably one of my most favourite watercolours we've used in a long time.
We'll have to try find like a nice little palette to put it in.
Now, I'm gonna really like put a lot on.
I can tell.
Alright, I'm gonna make a big crater.
No, no craters, we've only just got it.
Really stress Steph out there.
It is stressing me out, stop that.
So what kind of design or whatever do you want me to put on it?
You haven't even thought about what you're doing.
Nope. You gotta hurry, honey, the paint's drying. What are we gonna do? Some stars, okay. Well, we'll put like a little indication of one there and another one here.
Because we're not in the light, I can't even see like whereabouts you're putting them.
Oh, that's alright, I can't really see it either.
No, that's not good.
No, it's not that bad. I think you are right. It needs to be thick, but I think it will work.
Hopefully it'll be like a really cool magic effect when you finally do show it to us.
I swear to God, I hope so.
Okay, we'll give you like a moment to play with that effect.
Please. You got something cute to show us, cutie patootie. Let's see. Ooh! Yeah, keep going, yeah. Like, can you move it further, like, away? Like, tilt it away? Yeah, it changes colour. That's amazing. That looks awesome. Oh my God, look at that! It works so well on yours.
You can see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yay!
Oh no, I should have shown mine first. Mine's a bit underwhelming.
I'm really impressed as well because the paint with the magnet, it sticks perfectly on the side of the ring binding.
Oh, that's such a cute little Steph touch. You want to see mine? Here's mine. You want to see?
Give it a wiggle.
Okay.
Wiggle it.
It's not quite as good as... Well, you can kind of see it on the leggings and the hat a little bit, but Steph's... Oh my God, Steph's like blue. It's blown me out of the water. I was so impressed. But that's awesome. Yeah, I really recommend this
Let me have a wiggle of yours.
Oh,
I want to see. Oh, I like the way it looks on the black. It's definitely showing up.
Yeah, with the stars. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. If we use it again, we'll have to try and fish out our black.
Yeah, we'll use it on black paper. Let us know, guys, if you'd like us to use this again, but on black paper. Drop us a comment and let us know. But you guys know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you next time for another doodle date.
Doodle it.
Bye for now, guys.